Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to tell you about the bookmaking company 1xBet. In this video, I'll explain why 1xBet is a reliable bookmaker, tell you how to get the maximum bonus, and show you my favorite feature of the mobile app. 1xBet is a dependable bookmaking company and a business partner. It's worth noting their partnerships with renowned clubs like Paris Saint-Germain and FC Barcelona. Also, 1xBet is a sponsor of Serie A League and the Africa Cup of Nations. You can place bets on the mobile version of the site, but in my opinion, it's more convenient to do it through the mobile app. I'll leave a direct link to the APK file in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. Let's download the app. Click on the tip to find out how to download the 1xBet mobile app on iPhone. Go to the registration section. You can register in 4 ways, in 1 click, by phone number. Go through full registration. Register via social networks. For example, I'll register in 1 click. To get the maximum welcome bonus, enter the promo code UHNWI in the promo code field. This promo code increases the maximum bonus for sports betting up to $520 in the equivalent currency of your country. The casino bonus with this promo code is increased up to €1,500 150 free spins. Now, I'll show you my favorite feature of the app. Open a match with a live broadcast. We can watch our favorite match, monitor the dynamics of the odds, and make a bet without stopping the viewing. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Did you like the video? Hit like. Happy betting! See you on the channel!